Good morning, my fellow Harley riders. If you ride a Harley-Davidson touring bike from 1980 to 2008, your bike is going to come with 3 rubber motor mounts. There will be 2 in the back and 1 in the front. The front one is located here, and this is what it looks like. Now, this rubber motor mount, you can see, is bad. This is what happens when your rubber motor mount goes bad. The rubber cracks, that metal post starts to break away from the rubber, and then you will start experiencing heavy vibration in your motorcycle. When that happens, you'll need to have it swapped out. If you find yourself with heavy vibration in your bike, and you find that your rubber motor mount is bad, go ahead and bring it on into your professional Harley-Davidson technician like me, and we can get a motor mount ordered and put in for you right away, and then restore your bike back to its original riding form, which is nice and smooth and comfortable, and so that you can enjoy riding your Harley-Davidson. Thank you, and have a great day.